Assalamu alaikum, this is Manan Arshad with Floor Planet and hope you guys are doing great. So this time I'm trying to upload a voice clip just because there are some things are happening on my end and I can't do a video right now. So I thought I have to upload something, so I'm doing it in hurry. So hope you will find it helpful. So what we are going to talk about today, we are going to talk about 6 tips for creating great product images, because most of the time people are asking like what are the best images, how we can photograph them, how we compose them and all those things. So I thought let's address that, and this is really important. So here I'm going to cover 6 tips. So the one is that is really important, that we have to look at our competitor images, the quality of their product photography, the way the images are composed and the coloring they have used and all that, and so that we can get the idea like how they have used the coloring, the color tuning, the way they did it, what kind of props they have used, the lifestyle images and all that, so that you can at least get some idea like how you will do it or how you will put your product. Okay. The second one is make sure your product photography is a superior, that your image is high resolution and zoomable, so that you can see your product up close and more in a better way. Because sometimes it happens that people are not doing as high quality images. So what happens that at the end your customer is not getting the high quality of your production, they can't perceive you the way they perceive normally with the high images. Because we connect everything with our product, if it's your title, if it's your images, if it's your bullets, or the way you put things, so or the packaging of your products, so it's really important. Okay. The third point is make sure the background of your primary image is bright white. Okay, because Amazon's terms and conditions want it to white, but make sure your is not faded or off white, which can make your product looks lower quality and cheaper. Sometimes it happens that people are using a white background, but they are not properly using the bright white, so sometimes it looks like the faded, a dull color, which can show your product in a bad quality or something like that, or a bad photography at least. Okay. The fourth tip, I would say, design your primary image so it stands out from the competition. For example, if your competitors all point their product to the right, try pointing your to the left side. If I put this in a simple words, I can tell let's you have to check like the primary images of your competitor, and you can get the idea like how they have placed their product, so that you can get the idea how I can change the angle of the photography, so I can show my product a little different in an angle, so that it can catch the customer's eye, so they can spend a little time on your product. So yeah, that's really important if we differentiate our primary image. Let's talk about the fifth one. The fifth point is it's all about including a variety of lifestyle images that demonstrate the product in a use and highlight the benefits to the customer of choosing your product. Help them envision themselves using your products, because you knew it that your customer can't get their hands on it instantly. They have only limited options to look at your product to get the idea of your product. So you make sure that they can understand like how this product works, how they hold it, how they wear it, or these kind of ways, so that they at least they can make a sense for them that how this product looks with them or for them. Okay. And the last one, I would say the sixth tip is include images that show or specify your product size, dimensions, weight and features, or I would say the infographics. Since you, as I already mentioned, that your client or customers can't touch and hold your product, give them the information they need to understand and make a decision to buy it or not. Because most of the time it happens that we are not conveying all the information in the images form, which we have to do it. Last time I was talking with one of new client, and I was telling him if we are putting all the details in the title and the bullets and the description, still we have to cover all those informations in the images form, so that people, if people don't want to read a lot of that stuff, they easily can get the idea from the images, and they easily can buy it. Because sometimes it happens that we are not covering all the details in different ways. So that's how I think the things are. So well, that's all from my side about this, and hope you will find it helpful. If you really do, please share, subscribe and comment. I would love to hear from you people, like what kind of your thoughts about my videos and the stuff I'm trying to do and pull here. So yeah, thank you so much, and have a great day, and please stay home and stay safe and take care of your family. Stay healthy. Thank you. Have fun. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.